Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. My project title is Identity-Based Distributed Provable Data Position in Multi-Cloud Storage. This paper targets on dispersed provable data custody in multi-cloud storage. The convenient can be made active by ignoring the certificate management. The proposed ID-DPDP protocol can comprehend private verification, delegated information, and public verification. The protocol, which named as Identity-Based Distributed Provable Data Position Protocol. The proposed protocol is probably secure. An Identity-Based Distributed Provable Data Position Protocol convenient comprises 4 distinct entities for client and server process. In multi-cloud surroundings, distributed certain data occupancy is an important element to protect the remote data. In order to improve the efficiency, classify-based certain data position is more good. In existing system, the malevolent cloud store server may corrupt the client's files in order to gain more merits. Many researchers prospective the comparable system, miniature, and preservation model. The PDP model, the checker can check isolated data purity with a high possibility. Proposed dynamic PDP, experimentary and detailed scheme, although it does not support insert process. It is probabilistic proof of propriety by sampling random set of section from the server, which hugely reduces input-output cost. Let us discuss the proposed system in depth. Initially, we collect the user details such as IP address, username, user upload file, file path, file size, and file length. After uploading the file, user will get a primary key generation. The key request will be sent to the combiner. Combiner is nothing but a verification agent. If verification agent accepts the client request, verification agent split and store the data in multi-cloud. Only if the user successful in the challenging task. If the user fails in the challenging task, the verification agent will not allow the user key to store in multi-cloud. User has to enter the name, click my IP address to get your IP address. Click attach button and upload a text file. Click save button to save your files. Click send button to send your files. Click connection button and get the processor name, user IP address, file size of your file, file length of your file, and MAC address of your system. Deliver time, which displays the file uploading time. Display, the current date will be displayed. Click encryption button to encrypt the file and store to the cloud. Click file send button to send the file. Click random generation button. Random generation button helps to split the files into multi-packets. Click next button. Sender has to click the send button to send the file to the cloud. Click save button to save the random packet generation. Click split button to split the files of your encrypt button to encrypt the splitted files. Click graph button to view the file packets and the original file size. Click next button. This form which shows the primary security key. Click calculate button and get the primary key generation. Primary key generated to the client. Now client has to send the primary key request to the verification agent. Verification agent is the part of the cloud who analyzes the client with a challenging task. Click accept button and go to the client request. The client will get an acknowledgement. Key request sent to the cloud. Then click OK button. Client and server page connected. User process verified successfully. Client key request accepted. Client has to enter the answer for these questions. These questions based on basic knowledge. Click challenge 1 button to submit it. Click verify button. If you passed in the challenge 1, you will get the challenge 2 task. Click challenge 2 task to complete the task. Click verify button and know the result. Once if you are not qualified, the whole application will be closed. This form shows the challenge 3 task. Click challenge 3 button to complete the task. Click verify button. The result button will get enabled. Click result button. You have successfully completed the challenge task. You can upload the file now. Click splitted key store button to store your keys in a splitted way. If your splitted key stores in the cloud, then you will get an completed button. Verification agent allow you to store your file in cloud. This form is your cloud form. Enter your file size. Secret key, which denotes your private key generation. Now enter your file size and your primary key and click the accept button to extract your file. Your request accepted by the cloud. Please wait for a while. Your request is being processing. Your file is extracted from the cloud. If you have stored your file in the cloud, you will get an extracted message. If it's not, cloud server will not provide your message.